What's your name?
Rosie, she can't talk. You can say hello to her. She doesn't bite. Which she does, actually.
Your daughter has...
A chromosomal disorder. Dreams of a childhood, Rosie.
We've identified Rosie's condition.
This could change everything. Oh, come on, maybe not everything.
We suspend the series of the program due to unnatural phenomena has been caused on bees. We will give you details and instructions shortly. Please wait a moment. We have some new information today. The hospitals were reporting a strange phenomenon on bees. Apparently, patients were getting attacked by some bees. Many others had allergic reactions. However, they didn't survive due to hospitals has been taking care of other patients and receiving help. This also includes the nationwide of the United Kingdom. The attack is extremely critical. Many reports were also confirmed who survived and died. Total of 60,310 people. 20,000 people were infected of bee stings. 40,000 people who didn't survive due to allergy, and 310 people who were survived. Please read the instructions for your safety. Do not approach any bees and stay away at least 3 meters. If a bee comes up to you, run away. If you are affected by sting, call emergency services for help. Seal and close heating stoves, windows, and doors to protect. The Tokyo Security Foundation is now covered with a solution to prevent bees attacking patients. Unfortunately, we do no longer have any information in our hands today. Please make sure to stay in.